Hello everyone. Today we will discuss somatic neural system and autonomic neural system. Somatic neural system and autonomic neural system. The peripheral neural system. Peripheral neural system is divided into two divisions. Divided into two divisions. One is the somatic neural system. One is the somatic neural system. Somatic neural system. Somatic neural system. Second one is the autonomic neural system. Second one, autonomic neural system. Autonomic neural system. Somatic neural system and autonomic neural system. Somatic neural system. SNS. Autonomic neural system. ANS. Somatic neural system and autonomic neural system. The peripheral neural system is divided into two divisions. One is the somatic neural system, another one is the autonomic neural system. Somatic neural system and autonomic neural system. First one, somatic neural system. First one, somatic neural system. Somatic neural system. First one, somatic neural system. The somatic neural system contains two types of neurons. The somatic neural system. The somatic neural system contains two types of neurons. Somatic neural system contains two types of neurons. One is the sensory neurons. Second one is the motor neurons. So the somatic neural system contains two types of neurons: sensory neurons and motor neurons. First one, sensory neurons. So the sensory neurons is conducted by somatic receptors. It is conducted somatic receptors to central nervous system. Somatic receptors to central neural system. It is conducted the impulse from the. It is conducted impulse. It is impulse conducted from somatic receptors to central neural system. So they are the sensory neurons means. So they are receiving the impulse from the sensory organs to central nervous system. So these are the impulse receiving from the sensory receptors. They are the somatic receptors. The body contains somatic receptors. The human body contains somatic receptors. That receptors is the identify the sensory impulse. So they are sending from the central neural system. So these sensory neurons is a conscious control. These messages is a controlling of the. It is a conscious control. So this control is a conscious control. So they are the conscious control. Next one, motor neurons. Second one, motor neurons. Motor neurons, it extends from it is extend from central nervous system to skeletal muscles, to skeletal muscles, central nervous system to skeletal muscle. It is innervated by the skeletal voluntary movements. It is innervated by skeletal muscle voluntary movement. So they are the skeletal muscle voluntary movements. So they are the skeletal muscle voluntary movements. So they are the motor neurons. It is extend from the central nervous system. It extend from the central nervous system to skeletal muscles. So these are the innervated by the skeletal muscle voluntary movements. Next one. So the central nervous system extend by the single myelinated axon. Central nervous system to CNS to extend one myelinated axon. Innervated skeletal muscle fibers. All skeletal muscle fibers. Innervated by the all skeletal muscle fibers. All the skeletal muscle fibers. So they are the motor neurons. So they are the motor neuron and sensory neurons. So the somatic neural system. So they are the always excitation. Somatic motor neuron is always excitation. Somatic motor neuron always excitation. So they are the somatic neural system. Second one, autonomic neural system. Autonomic neural system. Second one, autonomic neural system. Second one, autonomic neural system. So this autonomic neural system is a unconscious control. It is unconscious control. It is the unconscious control. It is the unconscious control. These neurons are the unconscious control. Means, so they are these movements are the unconscious. So they are the, for example, heart muscle contraction, relaxation. Our control. So do not our control. So they are the unconscious control. So the intestine contains smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are the peristaltic movements. So this control is unconscious control. So they are do not our control. That function is called as uncontrolled movements. Next one, so the autonomic neurons contain two types of functions, sensory function and motor function. So these sensory neurons receiving from the interoreceptors. So they are containing interoreceptors. Sensory neurons impulse conducted from interoreceptors to central nervous system. Interoreceptors, they are presenting on the visual organs. Interoreceptors presenting on the visual organs and presenting on the glands. Visual organs and glands presenting on the interoreceptors. So they are the sensory impulse are the receiving. So these are also called as chemoreceptors. So they are the presenting on the internal organ. Internal organ means visual organs, lungs, heart, kidney. So they are the visual organs. Next one, so these motor neurons. Next one, motor neurons. Motor neurons is controlled by unconscious control. Unconscious control of cardiac and smooth muscle and gland muscles. So they are the motor neurons. The motor neurons are the presenting on the central nervous system to internal organs. So these the unconscious control movements. So they are the unconscious control. So they are the unconscious heart muscle contraction and smooth muscle contraction. So they are the unconscious control functions. Next one. So the autonomic neural system is divided into two systems. Autonomic neural system is divided into autonomic neural system is divided contain somatic neural system, contain a sympathetic and parasympathetic neural system, contain one sympathetic and second one parasympathetic neural system, contain sympathetic and parasympathetic neural system. So the autonomic neural system contain a sympathetic and parasympathetic neural systems. So the autonomic neural system control is the unconscious control. So they do not our control. So they are the controlling of cardiac muscle function, controlling of the smooth muscle functions. So they are the contain a sympathetic and parasympathetic neural system. Next one, sympathetic neural system. Next one, sympathetic neural system. Sympathetic neural system. It contain sympathetic chain or trunks. Sympathetic chains or trunks. Next one, preganglionic neuron. Fourth one, postganglionic neuron. Preganglionic neuron, postganglionic neuron. Next one, fifth one, collateral ganglia. So the sympathetic neural system contain a sympathetic chains or trunks. And preganglionic neuron, postganglionic neuron and collateral ganglia. Preganglionic, postganglionic and collateral ganglia. See the diagram. So these are the brain. So these are the spinal cord. These are the spinal cord. So they are the brain. So they are the spinal cord. So the just one more point. So they are the just example. So these are the ganglia. So these are the ganglia. So they are the central neural system. They are the central neural system. So they are the ganglia. So this neuron is called as preganglionic neuron. Preganglionic neuron. So the before the ganglia, this neuron is called as preganglionic neuron. Next one, this neuron is called as postganglionic neuron. It's called as postganglionic neuron. Postganglionic neuron. So these are the ganglia. The ganglia. So before the neuron, so this is called as preganglionic neuron or preganglionic fiber. Next one, after the neuron, after the ganglia, the neuron is called as postganglionic neuron. Preganglionic neuron and postganglionic, these are the ganglion. So they are the central neural system side. So they are the preganglionic neuron. So they are the postganglionic neuron. Postganglionic neuron, preganglionic neuron and postganglionic neuron. So they are the So these are the preganglionic neuron. Preganglionic neuron. So these neuron contain ganglions. They are presenting on the ganglia. So these are the ganglia. So they are the sympathetic trunk. So these are the sympathetic trunk. Sympathetic chain or trunk. Sympathetic chain or trunk. So these neurons. So these neurons. So they are the preganglionic neurons. So they are the preganglionic neuron. Preganglionic neuron. Preganglionic neurons. Next one, after ganglia. After ganglia, they contain a neurons. So these neurons are called as postganglionic neurons. So these are the postganglionic neurons. These are the postganglionic neurons. Postganglionic neurons. So these are the ganglia. So they are the entire ganglia are combined from the sympathetic chain or trunk. So that before the ganglia, the neurons are called as preganglionic neurons. So after the ganglia, the neurons is called as postganglionic neurons. Postganglionic neurons. Next one. So these ganglia, is called as collateral ganglia. These ganglia are called as collateral ganglia. 3 collateral ganglia. Collateral ganglia. So this one, so this ganglia name is called as celiac. Celiac ganglia. Celiac ganglia. So this ganglia is called as superior mesenteric. Superior mesenteric ganglia. So these are the inferior mesenteric ganglia. Inferior mesenteric ganglia. Inferior mesenteric ganglia. So these are the first one. So the sympathetic neural system contain a preganglionic neurons. So they are the sympathetic chains. Sympathetic chains are trunks. So they are the one side, same is this side. So they are the two sides, both sides. So left side and right side. So they are the one side presenting on the one sympathetic chain, same this side presenting on the another chain, same presenting on the preganglionic neurons and same presenting on the postganglionic neurons. So they are the spinal cord. Next one, preganglionic neuron, sympathetic chain, postganglionic neuron and collateral ganglia. Collateral ganglia are the three types. One is the coeloid ganglia, superior mesenteric ganglia is also called as anterior mesenteric ganglia. Next one, inferior mesenteric ganglia is also called as posterior mesenteric ganglia. So these are the ganglias. Next one, the preganglionic neurons are short in structure. Preganglionic axons are short in structure. Short. Preganglionic neurons are the short. So they are the preganglionic neurons are the short. Next one, postganglionic neurons are the large. Postganglionic neurons are larger in size. So the preganglionic neurons. So they are the preganglionic neurons. So the preganglionic neurons are the short in structure. Preganglionic neurons are the short in structure. So the postganglionic neurons. So the postganglionic neurons are the larger in size. Postganglionic neurons are the larger in size. Next one, the postganglionic neurons. Postganglionic neurons are sympathetic trunk. Sympathetic trunk. Postganglionic neurons are sympathetic trunk. Postganglionic neurons are sympathetic trunk is innervated by, is controlled by anterior parts of the anterior organs of the diaphragm. Anterior organs of the controlled by anterior organs of diaphragm. Anterior organs of the diaphragm. Anterior organs are controlled by the diaphragm. So they are the preganglionic neurons of sympathetic chain. Preganglionic neurons of sympathetic chain is controlled by the, so they are the diaphragm. Anterior organs of the diaphragm. Anterior organs of the diaphragm. Anterior organs of diaphragm are the eye. So they are controlled by the eye. Next one, lacrimal glands. Lacrimal glands. Lacrimal glands. So they are controlled by the lacrimal glands. Next one, salivary glands. Salivary glands controlled by the salivary glands. Next one, heart. Next one, respiratory structures like respiratory tract. respiratory tract. So these are controlled by the, so these preganglionic neurons of sympathetic tract. So they are the sympathetic trunk. So they are the postganglionic neurons of sympathetic tract controlled by the anterior organs of the diaphragm. Anterior organs of the diaphragm. Next one. So they are the postganglionic neurons. Next one. Postganglionic neurons of postganglionic neurons. Postganglionic neurons of collateral. Collateral ganglia. Postganglionic neurons of collateral ganglia. It is controlled by posterior organs of diaphragm. Posterior organs of diaphragm. Posterior organs of diaphragm. So these are the collateral ganglia. So these three is the collateral ganglia. These collateral ganglia, postganglionic neurons. Postganglionic neurons is controlled by the posterior organs of the diaphragm. Posterior organs of the diaphragm. So these are the posterior organs are the liver, kidney, digestive tract, and urinogenital tract. Urinogenital tract. So these are controlled by these neurons. So these are the posterior part of the posterior organs of the diaphragm. Posterior organs of the diaphragm. So these are the control the postganglionic neurons of collateral ganglia. Postganglionic neurons of collateral ganglia is controlled by the posterior organs of diaphragm. Posterior organs of diaphragm. So they are liver, kidney, digestive tract and urinogenital tracts. So they are controlled by the postganglionic neurons of the collateral ganglia. Next one. So these neurons, these are neurons, sympathetic neurons arising from the spinal cord, from the thoracic region and lumbar region. So they are the thoracic and sacral region. So they are the thoraco-sacral division. So they are called as, so they are the sympathetic neurons. So they are the sympathetic neurons. The preganglionic neurons. The preganglionic neurons, these preganglionic neurons arising from the thoracic and lumbar region of a spinal cord, arising from the thoracic and lumbar region of the, so these preganglionic neurons arising from the thoracic and lumbar region of the spinal cord. So this neural system is called as thoracolumbar division. So these are called as thoracolumbar system, thoracolumbar outflow. These are called as thoracolumbar division. This is called as thoracolumbar division. So this outflow is called as thoracolumbar outflow. This outflow is called as thoracolumbar outflow. So they are the sympathetic neural system.